Hey guys, what is up? I hope guys you're extremely well. In this video, I will show you that how you can open any GitHub project in your very favorite VS Code. So that is actually very simple. We can do that actually multiple ways. So I'll show you that 3 ways that you can do that. You can open any GitHub project in your very favorite code editor VS Code. So the 3 ways, first way is actually if you have Git set up in your device. So let's just follow the first step, and I just wanna exactly open this project in my VS Code. So what I need to do, and you can see here written code. So just click here and you can see an URL. So just copy this URL, and now I have to go to the file where I wanna save this project. So let's go to the file. Let's say I wanna save this project in open in a VS Code folder. So open that, and now here what I need to do, I have to just click Shift plus right button of mouse, and here you can see open Git bash. So just click here, and here you have to write git clone. Then you have to paste the link you just copied and click enter, and you can see cloning this project and it's written done. So we successfully downloaded this project in our local devices. So you can see it's already downloaded, and if I enter this folder, and you can see there are some file, index file, index HTML file, JS file, CSS file, and there are also some images. And exactly this project, you can see image, index file, you can see main.js, html.css. So exactly this file has been downloaded. Now open this project in VS Code. So just go to the VS Code, open VS Code, then here you can see file, click file, then from open folder, here go to the open folder, and from here choose the location, and you can see I saved this project in open in VS Code. So go here and open that, and you can see, yeah, we successfully open our GitHub project in our VS Code. So I think you got it the first way. Now I assume that you actually don't have set up Git in your local device. Then I will show you the step how you can do that if you don't have Git set up in your devices. So just delete this. Okay, we deleted this file, and I'll show you the second step how you can do that. So back to the project again. So here you again just click code, and here you can see download zip. So download this zip file, and I would choose the location again, open in VS Code. So choose it, and here you can see it's downloaded. So we have to unzip it. So let's unzip this file. Okay, so this is the file we unzipped. So exactly same way, open VS Code, and then again go to file. From file we have to choose open folder, then again we have to choose the location we downloaded this file. So you can see. So I hope you got it the second OS. And now let's talk about the third OS. Okay. So I hope you got it the second OS. So the third OS is if you have a GitHub desktop in your device. So that is actually more simple OS that you can do that. Close VS Code again. Deleted these two files. Again back to the project, and here again click code, and here you can see the option open with GitHub desktop. So just to click here and open a GitHub desktop, and here you can see the URL of the project, and you can see the local path. You can definitely change the local path. So I will change, and I will choose definitely our previous path, open in VS Code. So choose this folder and just click clone, and here you can see open in VS Code. So if you click here, this project directly open in VS Code. So just click in open in VS Code. Yeah, you can see exactly same project we again successfully open in VS Code. So that's the actually 3 ways you can actually open any GitHub project in your local code editor or VS Code. Okay, that's it, and thank you for watching.